back again with more stories. This next one is entitled An In-Flight Lesson on Love. An In-Flight Lesson on Life by John J. Rupert, 2/10/86. Scene: inside a 747 airplane. The plane is filled with passengers, all getting ready for the holidays. A priest walks down the aisle on his way back to his comfortable seat aboard the plane. A little boy approaches the father and takes his seat next to him. The priest, who had sat down in his red comfortable chair, hadn't noticed the boy who was now next to him. "Hi, what you looking at?" "The sky." "The sky? What's so special about the sky?" "Oh, my son, but you are missing the whole point." "The whole what?" "Look out the window. What do you see?" "I see clouds, and more clouds." The little boy became angry at the father for laughing at him. He found the laughter to be rather insulting. He had wished he never sat next to him. He wished he never said anything to him. He'd wished he never came aboard the plane. And he'd wished to be back in his room, where everything and everyone was in his control. Now, he just wanted to forget the whole thing. To escape back to his seat and dream. Yes, he would dream about his room. Oh, how he wished he was there now. "I'm sorry. I didn't mean to laugh at you." "Well, you did, you meanie." "I'm sorry," I laughed. "It was just funny when I asked you to look out the window and tell me what you saw. And you said you saw clouds. And more clouds. Don't you see? You didn't even look." "Are you saying I lied?" "No. I'm just saying that you looked without looking." "What?" "Look again. What do you now see?" "Clouds." "Look past the clouds." "I see more I see images of faces." "What kinds of images of faces?" "I see an elephant, and I see a dog, and I see a cow." "Now, tell me what you see behind those images of animals." I can't see anything." "Why have you stopped looking?" "I'm scared." "What are you afraid of?" "Out there. I'm afraid of out there." "There is nothing to be afraid of out there. Nothing can hurt you." "They'll come. They'll hurt me." "Who will come? Who will hurt you?" "The people. The people who didn't listen to me." "What people?" "The ones who took Mommy." "Who took your mommy?" "Men in suits with bags. They came and they took my mommy away on the sofa with wheels. I tried to tell them to leave Mommy alone, that she belonged to me. But they wouldn't listen. They just took her away. I called to her, but she couldn't answer, because they stuck a big blanket over her head. Then they took her away in a big car. I just want my mommy back. I want to see her smile and to tell me that I'm a good boy like she used to, and to tell me she loves me." "My son, please listen to me. There are some things in life we have no control over, but we do have control over the way we accept them. Your mommy had to go away. She didn't want to hurt you, just like those men. They didn't mean to hurt you either. Your mommy had to go away. She had to do something very important. What did she have to do? She had to go so she could take care of a lot of people and children like yourself. Why can't she just take care of me? I want my mommy for me. I miss her. Your mommy misses you too. She is always watching over you. Where? I can't see her. Where is she? Where's my mommy? Your mother is right here. Your mother is inside of you. Your mother is inside of you always. Look out the window again. Look hard. What do you see? I see clouds. Look past the clouds. I see images of animals and faces. Past the animals, past the faces. Look hard. What do you see? I see Mommy. What is she saying? What is she doing? She's smiling at me. She's waving her finger at me like she always does. She's telling me that I'm a good boy. And that she's watching over me. And what? And that she loves me. I love you too, Mommy. And your mother loves you also. Wait, don't leave. Don't leave again, Mommy. I miss you. Don't go away. Don't go away. She's gone. She is not really gone. She is here with you, always. She will always be with you, wherever you go. But, listen, whenever you want to be with your mommy, or want to talk to her, just close your eyes, and she'll be there. But, just close your eyes. What do you see? Hi, Mommy. I'm back. Next is entitled